Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to transfer a large sum of money but weren't sure if it would go through? Well, if you're a Citizens Bank customer, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the transfer limits for Citizens Bank and answering all your burning questions. Imagine you've just sold your car and have a hefty sum to transfer to your savings account. Or maybe you're planning a big vacation and need to move money from your checking account to your travel card. Understanding the transfer limits is crucial to avoid any unexpected delays or complications. What are transfer limits? Let's start with the basics. Transfer limits are the maximum amount of money you can transfer from one account to another within a specific time frame. These limits are put in place by banks to protect their customers from fraud and to ensure the stability of their financial systems. Before we get into the specific limits, it's important to understand the different types of transfers you can make at Citizens Bank. Domestic transfers. These are transfers made within the United States. International transfers. These are transfers made to accounts in foreign countries. ACH transfers. These are electronic transfers between bank accounts. Wire transfers. These are urgent transfers that are typically completed within a day. Citizens Bank transfer limits. Domestic transfers. ACH transfers. The daily limit for ACH transfers varies depending on your account type and relationship with the bank. However, you can typically expect a daily limit of around $10,000. Wire transfers. Wire transfers are generally subject to higher limits, and you can often transfer up to $100,000 or more per day. International transfers. Wire transfers. International wire transfers usually have higher limits than domestic transfers. The exact limit will depend on the destination country and the specific currency involved. Factors affecting transfer limits. Several factors can influence your transfer limits, including account type. Your account type, checking, savings, etc., will determine your limits. Account age. Newer accounts may have lower limits. Account activity. Your recent account activity can affect your limits. Bank policies. Citizens Bank may have specific policies regarding transfer limits. If you need to transfer more than your current limit, you can often request an increase from your bank. However, this may require additional documentation or verification. Frequently asked questions. Can I transfer more than my daily limit? In some cases, you may be able to transfer more than your daily limit, but you'll need to contact your bank to arrange this. Are there any fees associated with transfers? Yes, Citizens Bank may charge fees for certain types of transfers, especially international wire transfers. How long does it take for a transfer to go through? The processing time for transfers varies depending on the type of transfer and the destination. Domestic ACH transfers typically take a few business days, while wire transfers can be completed within a day. Understanding the transfer limits for Citizens Bank is essential for avoiding any unexpected delays or complications. By knowing your limits and planning accordingly, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free transfer experience. If you have any further questions about transfer limits or need assistance with a transfer, don't hesitate to contact Citizens Bank customer service. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time.